Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to do a room tour of the HighPoint World Resort in Kissimmee, Florida. This is a timeshare resort, and it's located off the West Arlo-Bronson Highway, close to Disney World. This is a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom unit. This is the view when you first walk in. You have a nice big sofa in the living room. Flat screen TV on the wall. Small dining table. And also a bar area for eating. In the closet we have a wash basket, a broom, a vacuum, some extra pillows and sheets, ironing board, and an iron. Now into the kitchen area. We have a full-size stove, as well as a dishwasher. Under the sink we have dishwasher detergent, paper towels, also soap for doing dishes. We have a toaster and some plates. Some tea towels. Some cups and bowls. Pack of coffee and some creamer. Coffee maker. Set of knives. And some cups. Plastic cups and also some wine glasses. Then we have a baking pan. Full-size microwave as well as a blender. As I mentioned, a full-size stove and oven. And some kettles. Full-size freezer and fridge with an ice maker built in. More storage area. Kitchen utensils. Spoons, forks, and knives. And some more kitchen utensils. Then we got a roasting pan and a frying pan. A strainer, pitcher, and a paper towel holder. I'd say the kitchen is fully stocked. Now we'll head into the bathroom. Got a small little hallway heading back to the bathroom and the bedroom. In the bathroom we got a single vanity and towels, hair dryer, some extra towels and extra toilet paper. Then we also got a medicine cabinet. Keep your bathroom stuff. Some more towels on the wall. Toilet and a shower tub combination. Now we'll head into the bedroom, where you got a king-size bed. Got another nice little vanity area. You got a closet, flat screen TV. In the closet you got a luggage rack and a safe, hangers to hang your stuff up, and an extra blanket if you're cold. Flat screen TV and a dresser for your clothing. Once again, king size bed and 2 nightstands. Currently raining outside. This is the view from the second floor room for the 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom condo unit. Thank you very much for watching my channel. Once again, this is a resort room at the HighPoint World Resort in Kissimmee, Florida. This is a timeshare unit. Thank you very much for watching my channel. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Follow along for more videos to come.